This is a key component of e-motors, and today I'll show you how Quantica's high-viscosity inkjet technology will be used to make e-motor production much more flexible and efficient. Hi, I'm Ben Hartkop, founder and head of research and IP here at Quantica. I want to take you through an interesting application that our team is exploring in electric motor manufacturing. This is part of an E-stack or lamination stack, the core of electric motors and generators. Hundreds of these coated steel sheets are stacked together to form the rotor and stator. To ensure maximum efficiency and performance, the E-stack sheets need to be properly bonded together, making this a crucial step in the manufacturing process. While welding or clamping was once used, high-performance adhesives are now the preferred method as they simplify production, reduce damage, and improve insulation. Currently, manufacturers are relying on methods like dispensing to apply these high-viscosity adhesives, applying large drops across the sheet and anticipating material to spread, which results in material waste. At Quantica, we've developed a unique printhead that gives manufacturers a more precise, efficient and scalable way to deposit these materials. Our NovaJet printhead is able to jet certified high-viscosity materials like urethane acrylates and epoxies, which are commonly used in e-motor manufacturing. Its drop-on-demand capabilities give manufacturers more design freedom and precision, enabling the potential to build more efficient, better-performing e-motors. Additionally, by controlling each droplet, there's virtually no waste, as material lands exactly where it needs to and is not squeezed out during the bonding process. Finally, with 96 nozzle printheads and multi-printhead configuration, we offer systems that scale and integrate with new and existing production lines. With our NovaJet technology, Quantica offers a new process for how adhesives can be applied in electric motor manufacturing and other adhesive applications, offering a fully digital solution that will significantly improve e-motors' performances and production processes. If this sounds interesting and you have a similar application in mind, reach out and let's see how NovaJet can support your manufacturing process.